Yes, can I know you people are writing the PPQ? PPQ in the same book or in a different book? You guys are writing the PPQ, that means the past paper answers in the same book or a different book? Cool, am I? PPQ questions වලට answers ලියන්නේ same book or different book? Somehow. So if you are writing in the same book, for the unit number 4 PPQ, leave one side, leave complete one side. Okay, because unit 4 PPQ, I'm not going to start it today. I'm going to start the unit 5 today. Harid, I'll be starting the unit 5 today. Then once I'm done with unit 5, I'll do the unit 4 PPQ and unit 5 PPQ together. Okay. Once I am done with the unit 5, I'll do the unit number 4 PPQ and unit number 5 PPQ together. Harida. So your book will become ugly, no? If you are writing it in the same book. So leave one side, not one page, one side at the. Leave one side. Done. So why did you leave that one side? For the unit 4 PPQ. Done. Done. තිබ්බද side එකක්? Keep one side. එක පැත්තක් unit 4 PPQ වලට. So when I'm doing the unit 4 PPQ, you have to write it in that place. In the side that you are leaving. Heading එකක් දාලම තියාගන්නකො. Right and keep a heading. Unit 4 PPQ වල කියලා write කළාම තියාගන්නකො නැත්නම් අමතක වෙයිනේ. Heading එක. Unit 4 PPQ කියලා write and keep it. Mention it as unit 4 PPQ and write and keep it. So if not, you will forget. So today I'll be starting the unit number 5. Yeah. Okay. So as I was telling people, if you are good in the chapter number 4, 5, 6, you will go for a good result. High chance is there, people. So don't think later I will study, I will convert my low result into a good result. No, people. In the commerce subject, now itself you have to study. Later it will become easy. If you put your effort now for the unit number 4, 5, 6 properly, later things that you are going to do will become very easy, people. Okay. So Hosani found it. Okay. So that is a small advice that I can give to all people before starting the unit number 5, because unit number 5 also one of the very important units. In the exam wise, I won't say like that, but the knowledge wise it is very important. So accounting equation. In this chapter, what are we going to learn? Very simple thing. Something connected with an equation. Okay. So let me take an example for you all to understand this accounting equation. So if you were not there for the previous classes, if you don't know what are the assets, what are the liabilities, what are the equity, income, expenses, you won't get this chapter also. That's what I told. Chapter number 4, 5, 6, very important. Without having the knowledge of chapter number 4, you will not get the understanding of chapter number 5 also. So let me take an example, people. So this is the business. You tell me, in the accounting world, owner and business are same thing or two different things? Tell me. In the accounting world, owner and business are same thing or two different things? These are two different things. Okay. So we'll assume this owner fellow, he is investing some money to the business. Okay. So business is getting some cash. So business is getting some cash. How much is the cash I am getting? Maybe the business is getting 5 lakhs. And who is investing this? Owner is investing. Owner is investing. People, you tell me, in our previous classes we learn whatever the owner's portion will come under which element of the account? Under owner's part, owner's portion will come under which element of the account? Methula correct. Methula correct. Owner's portion. Ubaidullah correct. It will come under the equity. So who is investing this money, people? Owner is investing this money. So owner's portion will come up. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Now what's happening? Here, we'll change this to maybe a machine. Owner is investing a small machine to the business. 5 lakh worth machine to the business. So business is getting an asset. What is the asset that business is getting? The machine. So who is investing it? Owner is investing it. Listen carefully. So in this situation, the assets are completely equal to the equity. Yeah. Listen carefully. Listen. Now I am telling, for the business, this one asset is not enough. මේක තමයි අපි හිතමුක asset එක කියලා. This is the asset. This one machine is not enough. They are going to buy another machine. Second machine. So once they buy this second machine, business is getting the second machine, an asset. But this time I am giving you a problem to buy this machine. Business requires 5 lakhs. But owner is having only 3 lakhs with him. He already gave 5 lakhs to purchase the previous asset. To the second asset, owner doesn't have money to give 5 lakhs. He is having only 3 lakhs, people. So you just think and tell me, to buy this particular machine, if they need 5 lakhs, out of that 3 lakhs is given by the owner. For the remaining 2 lakhs, what you can do, people? Just think and tell me. For the remaining 2 lakhs, what you can do? Chanu Menon correct. What you can do now, think. I want to buy an asset, a machine, 5 lakh machine. Owner can give only 3 lakhs. 2 lakhs is missing. No. 2 lakhs is missing. If business have the money, business will buy, no Ethan. Business doesn't have the money. That's the problem. That's why owner is giving the money. Owner can give only 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Madhurnath correct. Ubaidullah correct. Ifra correct. Go for a bank loan. Go for a bank loan. Get a loan. So people now understand, business is getting 5 lakh worth asset. Out of that, owner's contribution is 3 lakhs. And 2 lakhs you are taking a loan. So loan is what for the business, people? Loan kiyanne expense the liability. The loan is a liability, obligation. Listen. Now you see, in total, The business has how many assets people? Machines කීයක් තියෙනවද business එකට? 2යි. මොකක්ද value එක machine දෙකේ? What's the value of both the machines? In total it is 1 million. 1 million. Out of that, owner's contribution is how much people? For the first machine 5 lakhs, for the second machine 3 lakhs. Owner's contribution is how much people? Everyone tell me. 8 lakhs. Owner's contribution is 8 lakhs. How much is the bank's contribution? Loan amount is how much people? Loan amount is 2 lakhs. Now based on this, I can create a mathematical formula. The total assets of the business, equal to, you tell me, total assets of the business equal to equity, equity plus liability. Total assets of the business equals total equity plus total liability. This formula we have studied somewhere else. Before I give this explanation, same formula in different way I have taught you people. Everyone take your tute. Vinati correct. Everyone take your tute chapter number 4. Zakir correct. Vinati correct. You see the formula that we use to calculate the equity. Everyone take the tute chapter number 4. Equity part එකට යන්නකෝ. Equity part එකට. Let me also open it. I might have it, no? Wait, I'll also open it. ඔයාට ඇරලම් පෙන්නන්නම් මම. Good. Where is that? Oh, equity. Here see. Equity equals total assets minus total liability. Same thing, people. Equity equals total assets minus total liability. Super. So people, if you make these assets for one side and take remaining everything to other side, equity plus total liability equals total assets. Same thing only I have written here, people, other side. Total assets equals total equity plus liability. So hereafter, to do the calculations, we are going to use this one only. Assets equals equity plus liabilities. So in my business, I have 1 million worth assets. Out of that, owner's contribution is 800,000. Remaining 200,000 bank's contribution. We took a bank loan. So total assets equals equity plus liability. So can you write down this? මෙතනින් ලියා ගන්න ළමයි. ඉස්සෙල්ලාම මෙතනින් ලියන්න total assets equals total equity. නැත්තම් total ඕනෙත් නැහැ. total කපලා දාන්න. Do anything කොහොමත් assets equals equity, that is the basic one. Then we learn assets equal equity plus liability. People, equation means what? Equation means left side and right side should be equal, no? Left side and right side should be equal. So you see in this example that I took you here, the example that I took in here in this question, left side and right side same or not same? Left side 1 million, right side also 1 million. So golden rule, do not forget. In accounting equation chapter, always you have to check whether your left side and right side are same. Golden rule. Always you have to check whether your left side and right side are same. Then only it will be equal. Cool. So now let's directly jump to a question, people. We'll directly jump to a question. අපි පයිමු question එකකට. Yes, Saki, correct. Liability equals assets minus equity. Correct. This one, no need. Dovina, this one, no. මේකනේ. මේක ඕනේ නැහැ. No need. Tute. Okay. Dovina. Cool. So let's start. I'll do it here. So this is the question number 1. Question number 1. Question 1. Assets equals equity plus liability. Okay. So we'll start with the first one. Now you got to be very active in the class, people. If you are silent in these chapters, gonna forget about your commerce subject. හිතන්නවත් එපා හොඳ result එකකට යනවා කියලා. Okay. Nehara started a business to repair computers. The following transactions are given to the first month of the business. Invested 500,000. Okay. Everyone tell me. Nehara investing some money. Now we are business. Huh? What we are getting, people can. What are we getting? Toffee or biscuit or cake or jam or pudding? We are getting toffee නේද? Nehara business එකට සල්ලි දුන්නොත් අපිට හම්බෙන්නේ toffee. නෙමෙයි. We are getting cash. So how much is the cash that we are getting? Plus 50,000, the 500,000, 500,000. And who is giving this money, people, tell me? Who is giving this money? Everyone tell me. කවුද සල්ලි දෙන්නේ? Owner. Ownerගේ portion එක මොකද්ද? Ownerගේ portion එක කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ? Ownerගේ portion ownerගේ portion equity. So remember, if owner gives money to the business, owner's portion will increase towards the business equals 500,000. Here you can write capital කියලා ලියන්න. Capital. It is another name. If owner gives money to the business, or owner will give different things to the business people. If owner gives anything to the business, we will call it as capital. Hurry. Check the golden rule. Left side and right side, is it equal? Left side dekai, right side dekai equal the? Yes. Super. Second one. Obtained a bank loan for 2 lakhs. You have to tell me. If you take a loan, are you getting toffee or biscuit or jam or pudding? If you take a loan, what are we getting? What are we getting? Cash. 200,000. Cash. But do remember, there are 2 impacts. If you increase only the asset, it is wrong. 2 impacts. From other end, we took a loan, people. We took a loan. Loans will increase what? Loans will increase our obligations. It will increase our liability. So liabilities are increasing by 2 lakhs. So here inside the brackets, bank loan. Tell me golden rule. Left side, right side, same the. Left side, right side, same the. Yes. Okay. Third part. This is a good one. Nah? You have to answer. Deposited 1 lakh to fixed deposit. Think from my business building, money is going out, or for the business building, money is coming in, people. What's happening? Fixed deposit එකක් අරිනවා. You are opening a fixed deposit. Janu Menon correct. Think, people. You are opening a fixed deposit. So if I draw a building, so let's assume this is my business, our business. අපි හිතමු මෙයා බැංකුව කියලා. Bank. So our money from this building going into the bank. So what is happening to our money? Everyone tell me. Our money from the building, it is going inside the bank. From our business, it is going inside the bank. Then everyone tell me, from our business, what is happening? From our business, cash inflow or cash outflow? කියන්න ළමයි. Cash inflow or cash outflow? Outflow. එළියට යන්නේ. Minus 1 lakh, which is the cash. Listen, don't be hurry. Answer first. Stop writing. Mama වෙලාව දෙනවා ලියන්න. බය වෙන්න එපා. Stop writing and listen and answer my questions. Listen. Still I can feel certain people are writing. Stop writing, please. So people, yes, from our business, money is going out and it is going into the bank. බැංකුවේ කාගේ account එකටද සල්ලි යන්නේ? අල්ලපු කඩේ කාගේ account එකටද? From your business, money is going out inside the bank's building. But still, For whose account money is going, people? For whose account? For neighbor's account? Huh? For neighbor's account? Owner's account? නෙමෙයි ළමයි. For the business's account. Ah, the money is going to the business's account. Now only you need the knowledge of asset liability equity that we did. If you have missed those classes, if you can't remember, gone. Huh? Fixed deposit is what for the business. Fixed deposit is what for the business. Fixed deposit. Madhurnath correct. Dovina correct. Ko. We learned all these things, people. If you have missed it, if you can't remember, HRI. Balanda lamai. Balanda. If it is short term fixed deposit asset. Here see. If it is long term fixed deposit asset. So fixed deposit is what for the business? Everyone tell me. Fixed deposit is an asset for the business. Don't forget the basics, please. So one of my asset is increasing. One of my asset is decreasing. Fixed deposit. Lamai. Golden rule එකට set වෙනවද නැද්ද? Left side and don't write, people. Wait, I'll give you time. Wait, don't write. Left side and right side, is it equal or not equal? Left side and right side equal or not equal? Think carefully. Think carefully. Think. People who said not equal. Minus 100,000 plus 100,000, how much? Minus 100,000 plus 100,000, how much? 0. Your right side also nothing. 0. Left side equals right side. Left side equals right side. Think and give the answers. Now write it. Now write it. Quickly write. Okay. Next one. Cash income 60,000 by repairing the computers. So customers ලා ඔයා දෙන service එකට ඔයාට මොනවද දෙන්නේ? ටොකුද? No, you do it in the book. Write the question number and do it in the book. Write the heading first. Heading accounting equation, question number 1. Don't write the question, just write the answer. Okay. For the service that you are giving, customers, what are they giving in return? Cash, money. How much money? 60,000. And people, what is this? Income. You look at the previous chapter and tell me, income means owner happy or owner sad? Income means owner happy or owner sad? Happy means increase in the equity or decrease in the equity? Increase in the equity or decrease in the equity? මම පෙන්නන්නම් කො එකක්. කො එක. Where is that? Here see. Income will increase the equity. Income will increase the equity. Likewise, expenses will decrease the equity. Yeah? Income will increase the equity. Expenses will decrease the equity. So income means owner happy plus 60,000. So tell me people, left side, right side. Same the not same the. Left side, right side. Same the not same the. Left side plus 60,000. Right side plus 60,000. Good. Fifth one. Paid 10,000 rent. Paid. 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 Money in or out. Money out. Money out. So 10,000 giya. Ivarai. Cash. And people rent. Rent income the expense then. Paid rent. Paid rent is income or expense. Paid rent expense. Expense will increase the equity or decrease the equity. Expense will increase the equity or decrease the equity. Expense will decrease the equity. Don't forget it here. In our previous classes we did. Don't let me repeat the same thing again and again. Me දැන් පෙන්නපු එක මතක නෑනේ බම්මුන්ට. මේ දැන් පෙන්නපු එක. පාර මිනිස්සු. Amnesia. Here's the income will increase the equity. Expense will decrease the equity. Don't forget. Rent. Okay. No, Dovina. You have to write the name of the expense. Huh? You have to write the name of the expense. Okay. People, listen carefully. Next one is very important one. Very important one. Stop writing. Stop writing. කවුද නෙහාර කියන්නේ? නෙහාර කියන්නේ කවුද? Actress නෙමෙයි බං. Owner of the business. Owner of the business. Again, I am asking the same question. In accounting world, owner, business, same thing or two different things? Same question I am asking. Two different things. Now you think I am the business building. Owner, I don't care. In accounting world, I am separate, owner separate. Inside my pocket as the business. I am the business building. building a talking business. Inside my pocket, I have some money. Owner fellow is coming and taking 20,000. As the business, mata mala pani the net. Will I get upset or not? Of course, I will get upset. Because in accounting world, I am different, owner different. Baga is taking a 20,000 for private use. My money, what's happening? My money coming in or going out as the business building. My money is going out. Oh, my money is going out. Mara owner. Owner Mara Cash is going out. If Bugger is taking, ideally I should increase his portion or decrease his portion that he is having with me. Huh? If Bugger is taking money. If he brings money, I will increase his portion. If he is taking, I will decrease his portion. Mara fellow. Maruminia. Ah. For this, we are giving a name. If owner takes any resource from the business, we are giving a name, people, for that. We are giving a name. Write down this note sum, everyone. Minus equity. Correct. Betula. 100% correct. So write down this note somewhere, people, in your book or Tute. If owner brings any resources to the business, such as cash, land, building, car, etc. etc. If owner brings any resources to the business, such as cash, land, building, car, blah, blah, it is considered as additional capital. Additional capital. Additional capital will fill in the blanks. Increase or decrease the equity. Here additional capital. Increase or decrease the equity. Increase the equity. Increase the equity. Next one, write down. If owner takes out any resource from the business, such as cash, stock, car, computer, etc. For his or her private use, it is considered as drawings. Drawings will decrease the equity. If you all are done, please post a letter D, people, in the chat box. D. Okay. So people, what is the name for this? You tell me, what is the name for this? What is the name? Drawings. Drawings. Vinuti, wait. Harida Vinuti. Done, no? Good. So people, Methula still writing. Methula still writing. Done. මම දැනට ඔයාට බඩු දෙකක් කිව්වා equity නගින. I taught you two things where your equity will increase. Tell me what are the two things? As of now, I taught you two things which will increase the equity. One is income, other one is additional capital. Super. Equity increase. Increase. එකක් තමයි income, other one is additional capital. I taught you two things which will decrease the equity. I taught you two things which will decrease the equity. Superb. What are the two things? Dear Gandalamai. What are the two things? One is expense. One is expense. Other one is drawings. Other one is drawings. So we learn two things which will increase the equity, two things which will decrease the equity. Income and additional capital will increase the equity. Expense and drawings will decrease the equity. If you are done, a letter D. Yes, yes. Write it, write it. Ayyo, Janumenan monada karre michalla. Taggala. Write it faster. How many of you all have studied this chapter in school? Already done studying accounting equation chapter? Ona tanaka, Vinuti, any place. Notes, any place you can write, even in your book or tute. Madhuranath, which school? Madhuranath? Madhurant. Realize your name is getting confused, man. Disula, which school? Where the Battala the Madhurant? Disula, which school? Lugegoda, okay. Balangoda, Disula. Fine, fine. Cool. So anyone sat for the first term test exam in this class? Anyone sat for the first term test exam? Ethan done? Okay. Madhuranto, did anyone get the marks? Did anyone get the marks? Lakunu avada. Disula kohomada. Second term also done. Seriously? Lyceum. Okay, okay. Grade 10 third term. No. Yes. International people ටිකක් වෙනස් නේ නේද? Okay. Transaction number 7. Purchased equipment. Tell me, equipment is what for the business people? Equipment is what for the business? Asset for the business. Correct. Where Q equipment like computers, laptops, printers, projectors. So these are the equipments. So you purchased it, people. If you purchase, your money is going out. 100,000 cash. One asset is going out, but you are getting another asset. One asset is going out, cash is going out. But what are you getting, people? You are getting an equipment. One asset is going out, another asset is coming in. Golden rule. Golden rule. Left side, right side. Is it equal? Left side 0, right side also 0. Telephone bill paid. Telephone bill paid. So telephone bill, people, money is going out. Salli yanawa. Pandahai. Cash. Cash. So everyone tell me, telephone bill paid, income or expense, income or expense, telephone bill paid, telephone bill expense, minus 5,000. Telephone bill. So now I'll answer to the question who asked me, some student asked me, sir, can't we write expenses inside the bracket? So if you write expense, you see, no? Then for this 10,000 also expense, this 5,000 also expense. The person who is looking at the answer, he will not know what is that expense. He will not know that. Method rent expense, method telephone bill expense. So the person who is looking at the answer, he will not know what the hell is that. So that's why I asked you to write the name. So government school people, when you all are having the exam, government school people, when you all are having the exam, this month, no? This month. Cool, cool. Then before that, we'll have a small term test exam, no? Mock exam. නේද ළමයි? අපි exam එකක් තියලා බලමුනේ. මොකෝ කියන්නේ? We'll have one. We'll have one exam, no? ජොලියටගේ කරලා බලමු. නේ? Then you will know, no, man, before going to the final exam, your first term test exam, you will know what are the areas that you are lacking. Then you can work on that, no? So we'll have one exam. I'll let you know the dates, huh? One mock exam. Nehara invested additional capital 50,000. So business is getting money 50,000 cash. And who invested it, people? Who invested it? Who invested it? Who brought that money? Owner. එතකොට additional capital equity මොනවද කරන්නේ? Equity either increase or decrease. Additional capital will increase the equity 50,000. Right side, left side, same capital. Yeah. So when you are doing the O-levels, Madhurant, it will be the 6th time then. With the O-level exam, 7th time. If for my mock exam, everything, same chapter may be like 10-15 times. So that's why a lot of students are scoring very good marks for the first few chapters. But in my A-level classes, normally I am not doing the revision in that way. Revision I am starting from the last chapter. Because last chapters, the number of times that students are exposing for that chapter is less, only once. If you take the first chapter, For the grade 12, for all the term test, you will study the first chapter. For the grade 13, for all the term test also, still you will study the first chapter. So 6 times you will study. So normally how I am doing the revision is from the behind. Then you will learn more. Okay. Settled bank loan. Tell me people, when you are settling bank loan, what's happening to your money? First tell me. Money increasing or decreasing? Tell me. Money decreasing. And you are settling the loan. When you are settling the loan, what will happen to your obligations? What will happen to your obligations? Liabilities will go up or down. When you are settling loans, when you are settling, liabilities will go down, obligations will go down. So here cash, here bank loan. Cool. We are done. Can you please get me the totals? So let me do the liability first. That is very simple. 180,000. Then equity 500, 560, 550, 530, 525, 575. Confirmation, please don't copy paste the values. You do the calculation on your own and check it. මම දාන figures copy paste කරන්න එපා. ඔයා calculation එක කරලා බලන්න. You do the calculation. I hope my equity and liability are correct. Now let's move to the assets. 500,000, 700,000, 760, 750, 730, 725, 775, 755. Here I am getting 755. 755. ඕගොල්ලොත් කරලා බලන්න 755 ද කියලා. $755 correct? Uh, 500, 560, 550, 530, 525, 575. Yes, Ethan, correct. Correct, Ethan. So what's the addition of these two, equity and liability? Tell me the addition. 575 plus 180, 755. Then you tell me people, right side and left side, is it same, equal, balancing? Whether your accounts are balancing? Yes, your accounts are nicely balancing. Both the sides 755, 755. So if you didn't make any mistakes, both the sides should balance at last. Done. Done, no? Cool. Then shall we move to the question number 2, people? We'll start to do the question number 2. It is little different. Okay, Mithula. Very good. Mithula is very good. So when I am moving to something, if you all are still writing, you have to tell. So Mithula, very good. Can see, Mithula? Done. Okay. Now let's jump to the next one. Next one little different. Little bit different. Next question. Here see in the next question, they have given us the classification. They have given the classification, people. So we are not required to write it again. So assets, they have given equipment, fixed deposit, cash. Equipment, fixed deposit, cash. Then assets equals equity plus liability. Liability, they have given a bank loan. And equity is there. Okay. So let's do now very simple. 500,000. So business is getting some cash. Business is getting some cash. 500,000. And who is bringing that cash? Owner is bringing. So equity will increase by 500,000. No need to write anything inside the brackets, people. No need to write because here they have given the classification. No? So no need to write that one. If you want for your reference purpose, only for equity if you want, you can write. For your reference purpose from the pencil. From the pencil, if you think like, okay, when I am using the tute in another 1.5 years time for my O levels, I will feel like I am forgetting for the equity part, you can write down maybe using a different color or maybe using a pencil. පොඩියට ලියා ගන්න. මේක capital කියලා චූටියට equity එකට විතරක් ලියා ගන්න. If you feel like you will forget in the future. Obtained a bank loan 2 lakhs. So people tell me cash is increasing by 2 lakhs. Then people, bank loan liability is increasing by 2 lakhs. Third one. So same transactions, deposited 100,000 in fixed deposit. Your cash is going out 100,000, but you are getting another asset. You are depositing it for your same fixed deposit account, 100,000. So people, you tell me with the golden rule, is it matching? Left side and right side, is it same? Left side and right side, yes. Left side 0, right side 0. Fourth one. Earn some cash income by repairing the laptops, computers. How much is the money? 60,000. So you are getting cash 60,000. It is an income. Income will increase the equity. So from the pencil, if you want, you can write down computer repair income or service income or whatever. Fifth one. Nehara withdrew 20,000 for private use. Withdrew 20,000 for private use. What wings, people? What wings is that? We will call it as what wings? Drawings. Drawings. Minus 20,000. And did I miss the fifth one? යානමේ. Thank you. දෝවිලා. මේක නෙමෙයිනේ fifth one එක, මේ sixth one එක. Fifth one, rent. Rent 10,000. Cash is going out. Rent is an expense. Expense will reduce the equity. Sixth one. Nehara took for private use. Drawings 20,000. Purchase equipment for 100,000. Telephone bill 5,000. Same thing what we did previously, people. Here, top itself, in the headings itself, we have the classification. That's the only difference. Ninth one. Nehara invested money, bringing more capital to the business. So business is getting cash. Who is investing it? Nehara. 50,000. Tenth one. Settled 20,000 bank loan. Your money is reducing. With that, your obligations, liability is also reducing. 20,000. So get me the value for each item separately, people. Here bank loan 180,000. Equity same as the previous one. I think it is 575,000. Equipment 100,000. Fixed deposit 100,000. So is it 555,000 people? You do the calculation and tell me, yeah? So here copy paste karanne epa. 500,000, 700,000, 600,000, 660, 650, 630, 530, 525, 575, 555. Yes. Confirm my numbers, please. Correct. If you are done, please post a letter D, people. Done. I need minimum 10, 3, 4, 5, 6. Madura. So why do we put 180,000 for liability? Because here bank loan 200,000, settle 20,000 no Madura. So what's the final figure? You took a bank loan of 200,000, settle 20,000. So balance is 180,000. Okay. Okay. Done, no? Ifra also done. Cool. Hmm. So what I'm asking, the procedure of calculating the owner's equity as at first blah 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 above transaction on the equity equation. So very simple people, we learn already. I think. So equity equals total assets minus total liability. So people here, this is 1st April. 1st April. So these are opening values. These are opening values, opening balances. Then you tell me opening total asset, how much people? Opening total asset 200, 500, 600, 800,000. So opening equity, opening total liability. So what is the opening total liability, people? You have 400,000, 4 lakhs. Then what is your opening equity? Opening equity 400,000. So write this down first. Write this down first. Then we'll move to the question. Done. So here I have given you the format people. Write it as how I have given people assets. Classify කරලා දීලා තියෙනවා හතරකට. Furniture stock, debtors, cash. Liabilities දෙකකට classify කරලා equity එකයි. Question number 3. Yes, for sure. Opening equity equal opening total asset minus opening total liability. Done. Done. Furniture, stock, debtors, cash. So these are the assets. Equity, liabilities, you have bank loan and creditors. Bank loan and creditors. Liability. You have two liabilities. 4 assets, 1 equity, 2 liabilities. Okay, now everyone start with the opening balances. Write the opening balances, people. Everyone write the opening balances. Furniture 3 lakhs. Stock 2 lakhs. Debtors 1 lakh. Cash 200,000. 200,000. Bank loan 300,000. Creditors 100,000. Previously we calculated the equity, people. Opening equity. How much is that? Opening equity we calculated previously. How much is that? Api opening equity calculate kara. 400,000. Opening equity 400,000. Okay. Let's start the game. First one. Purchase goods. 100,000 worth goods. So goods, tell me another name, people, that we learn. Goods, tell me another name. Goods. goods වලට කියන තව නමක් කියන්න. Goods, another name, stock. Super. Tell me another name. Tell me another name. Tell me another name. We learned all these things. Tell me another name. Inventory. Inventory. So don't forget, everything is same. Everything is same. Goods, stock, inventory, everything is same. So you purchased, your money is going out. How much worth goods? 100,000. You are getting a stock of 100,000. Cash asset is going out. Stock asset is coming in. Cash asset is going out. Stock asset is coming in. Next one. Very good one. Stop writing. Stop writing. Stop writing. Everyone. Sold goods which were purchased for 100,000 for 125,000. So first you tell me, what is happening for your stock? Is it coming in or going out? Is it coming in or going out? Now you can't think about anything else. You might think you are the genius and you might try to give different answers. Don't give me anything. Simply answer my questions. Then only you will get this part properly. If not, you won't get it for sure. 100%. So everyone tell me, what's happening to your stock? It is coming in or going out? Going out. You are selling, no? You are selling means බඩු ටික එළියට යනවා. Stock is going out. How much worth stock is going out, people? කොච්චරක් වටින බඩුද කියසි? 100,000 worth stock. 100,000 worth stock going out. So out, out. Negative. හරිද? You tell me, people, by giving this 100,000 worth stock to customer, from the customer, what are you getting? From the customer, කනේ බාරක්ද ගන්නෙ? By giving this stock to customer, what are you getting? A slap? No, wrong. Not income, not profit. Don't be more technical, people. Understand. Customer යාට profit එක ගෙනල්ලා දෙන්නේ. Customer යාට income එක ගෙනල්ලා දෙන්නේ නැහැ. Customer is not giving you profit. Customer is not giving you income. Customer is giving bloody money. Customer is giving you money. You are giving 100,000 worth badu. He is giving you 125,000 money. Balancing or not balanced? Balancing or not balanced? Not balanced. Not balanced. Problem. People, think. Now think. Now think. 100,000 worth items selling for 125,000. 100,000 worth items you are selling for 125,000. Now you tell me, what is your profit? What is your profit? What is your profit? 25,000 is your profit. We will call it as gross profit, people. Why it is gross profit, we will learn later. So profits, owners very happy. Profits means owners very happy. Very happy. Very happy. Profits will increase the equity. So You have to remember this adjustment. Method චූටියට ලියා ගන්න gross profits කියලා. Why it is gross profits? We will learn later. Now you tell me right side and left side, is it equal? Now you tell me right side and left side, is it equal? Left side minus 100,000 plus 125,000. Then 25,000, 25,000, both the sides. Look at this. Minus 100,000, minus 100,000. Vinuti, you tell me minus 100,000 plus 125,000. How much is that? How much is that? Vinuti, you tell me. Minus 100,000 plus 125,000. 0. Minus 100,000 plus 125,000. Kiyada? Vinuti, kiyanda? Minus 100,000 plus 125,000. අයියෝ ගණන් පන්තියකට යවන්න මේ වගේ මං කැල් එකේ ගහලම පෙන්නන්නම් මේ ළමයිට අනේ මන්දා Can you see the calculator people? Can you see the calculator? Look at this. I typed minus 100,000 plus 125,000. What is the value? Value is plus 25,000. Ane manda. Minus 100,000 plus 125,000 minus 125,000. So this side also plus 25,000. This side also plus 25,000. Equal or not equal? Tell me. Equal or not equal? Equal or not equal? Equal. Okay. Now let's do the next one. Settle 50,000 bank loan. Easy ones, no people. Quickly finish. Salli Elliot Yanova 50,000. You are settling a bank loan. So bank loan is reducing by 50,000. Bank loan is reducing by 50,000. Next one also same. Paid 10,000 salaries. Cash is reducing 10,000. Salary is an income for the business. No, people. Salary payment is an income for the business. No. Then what is that? Salary is what for the business? It is an expense for the business. Expense. Expense will reduce the equity. Salary. Fifth one. Sandamini withdrew monavada කියලා බලන්න ළමයි. Sandamini withdrew cash the. Sandamini withdrew cash the. ළමයි කියන්න. Sandamini withdrew what? Badu stock. Sandamini withdrew the stock. Then your cash or decreasing, stock is decreasing. What is decreasing, people? Cash decreasing or stock decreasing? Stock is decreasing. Sandamini Maravelo. මේ ක්ලාස් එකේ සඳමිනී කියලා කවුරුත් නැහැ නේද? Stock is decreasing. So people, look at the note that I gave. Look at the note. Look at the note. If owner takes out any resource such as cash, stock, car, computer, anything, blah, 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 etc. Anything for private use, we will call it as what wings? Yonder. If owner takes out any resource for the private use, let it be cash, යකෝ මගේ stock එක ඌ ගන්නවා. මාර fellow, I am the business building. It's my stock. Bugger is taking. මාර fellow. Drawings. It is drawings. Okay. Next one. Simple. Purchase furnitures, 50,000 people. Purchase furnitures. So cash is going out 50,000. And you purchase furnitures. Furnitures are increasing by 50,000. So left side also 0, right side also 0. Both the sides are same. So simple transactions don't take time. Quickly finish off. Okay. 100,000 is the sales amount. These goods had been purchased. Did we miss the 7th one? Then what's the number that I have written here? Yeah, no? Thank you, Janvi. Purchase goods. 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 Tell me another name. Goods. Tell me another name. Stock. So how much worth stock you are getting, people? Inventory. Yes. Stock is increasing by. Stock is increasing by 200,000. But listen carefully, people. This time you purchased by giving the money or not. So we learned all these things when we were learning the assets and liability. It is a credit purchase. Credit purchase කියන්නේ මම කියනවා ගිහිල්ලා බඩු ටික දෙන්න සල්ලි පස්සේ දෙන්න. You give me the stock, I'll give you money later. So it is not cash purchase, it is credit purchase. ඔකට තමයි ණයට බඩු ගන්නවා කියන්නේ. අහලා තියෙනවද? සල්ලි වලට නෙමෙයි. බඩු ගන්නෙ ණයට. Credit purchase, not cash purchase. If you do some credit purchase, you have to pay that 200,000 in the future, no? Yes or no? People tell me. You should pay that 200,000 in the future, no? Yes or no? Huh? You should pay that 2 lakh money in the future, no? So what's happening? Your obligations are එහෙමද මෙහෙමද 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 කියන්න. Obligations are increasing. Obligations are increasing, people. How obligations will come down? You think and tell me, you are taking this bottle from me. You are telling, sir, I'll give you money in 2 months. Your obligations are increasing or decreasing? Tell me. No, I am getting, your obligations are increasing. So same thing. As the business, we are going to, will assume tomorrow to Apiano. Supplier. Can you give that 2 lakhs worth wood? We are taking the wood. We are taking. So what is happening to my stock, people? Everyone tell me. My stock, what's happening? We are taking the item from him. What is happening to the stock? Everyone tell me. Not only few students. Everyone got to bloody reply. If not bloody leave the class, get the recording and watch the record. Our stock is increasing. Should I have to pay money or not? Utta salli denna onada natta. Should I have to pay money or not? I have to pay. I have to pay. So my obligations also increasing. No? I'm liable to pay. I'm liable to pay. I'm liable to pay. My liabilities are increased. So from one end, my stock is increasing. From other end, liability, one of my liability is increasing. For this liability, there is a special name. What is that name? We learn. For this liability, there is a special name. What is that name, people? අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තා. අපි ඕක ඉගෙන ගත්තා. IFRA correct. What is the name? You can't forget the basics. You cannot forget the basics. අපි ඕක ඉගෙන ගත්තා ළමයි. Let me show you. If there are any credit purchases of main stock needs to be settled within a year. Credit purchases of main stock. Look at the name that I have given, people. අපි මොකද්ද කියන්නේ ඒගොල්ලොන්ට? මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? type කරන්න හැමෝම. For the credit purchases of the main stock, payables, if not trade payables, if not trade creditors. Trade payable, if not trade creditors. So people, from one side, my stock is increasing by 2 lakhs. My stock is increasing by 2 lakhs. From other side, my liability, creditor liability is increasing by 2 lakhs. Maybe in the creditors. Creditor liability is increasing by 2 lakhs. Then everyone tell me, people, credit purchase of the main stock. Unta kiyana nam mokadda? Credit purchase of main stock. Eva dena suppliers te kiyana nam mokadda? Credit purchase of main stock. Unta kiyana nam mokadda? What is the name? Trade creditors. If not trade payables. Don't forget, basics අමතක කරන්න එපා, please. Okay. Next one. Sold goods for 100,000. You sold it for 100,000. But cost of the goods is 60,000. Then you tell me how much worth goods are going out. කොච්චරක් worth බඩුද එළියට යන්නේ? How much worth goods are going out? Tell me. No. This is sold for. May sales value. This is the sales value. So this is the cost of the goods. Cost of the goods. Put an arrow and write. If you are mixing it up, put an arrow and write. 100,000 is the sales value. 60,000 is the cost of the good. So 60,000 worth Badu going out. 60,000 worth Badu going out. For how much this 60,000 worth Badu you are selling people? For how much this 60,000 worth stock? 60,000 worth Badu you are selling for? You are selling for 100,000. So plus 100,000. Correct or wrong? What I wrote here, correct or wrong? If you write like this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Everyone read the question. Is it a cash sale or is it a credit sale? Is it a cash sale or is it a credit sale? සල්ලි වලටද වික්කේ ණයටද වික්කේ? You sold it for the money or you sold it for ණයට? You sold it for the money or you sold it for the cash? You sold it on credit. Wrong. So people, I clearly stated credit purchase. Main stock එක. Main stock එක. Main stock එක. What's the name that we gave? Credit purchase. What's the name that we gave? Trade payables or trade creditors. හරිද? Credit sales of the main stock. Main stock. මේකට කියන නම මොකක්ද? We learn. Credit purchase එක creditors. Credit sale එක credit sale එක what is that? යමු බලන්න. Where is that? Where is that? Here see. What is the name? That needs to receive. The business should receive money in the future. Trade debtors, receivables. So write down here. Trade receivable. Because we have to receive that money in the future. We should get that money, no? I sold it for 1 lakh, but Bugger didn't give me money yet. I have to get the money, yeah. Trade debtors. Debtors. So purchase creditors, credit sale debtors, credit purchase creditors, credit sale debtors. Debtors, they made debtors. So from other end, my debtors are increasing by 1 lakh. Balancing or not balancing? Tell me. Balancing or not balancing? Tell me. Not balancing. You think and tell me people. 60,000 worth Badu you are selling for 100,000. What is the labhe? What is the profit? 60,000 worth Badu selling for 100,000. What is the profit? Now you see minus 60,000 plus 100,000, 40,000. This side also 40,000. Both the sides are 40,000. Balancing. Okay. Received money. I got 80,000 money. Received money from the debtors. Received 80,000 from debtors. So I got some money, 80,000. What should happen to the debtor balance people? උගේ ණය වැඩි කරන්න ඕනේද අඩු කරන්න ඕනේද? Debtor balance should increase or decrease. I got money, no people. He's settling. So what will happen? The debtor balance will decrease. It will decrease. 10th one. Paid 50,000 to creditors. Paid 50,000. People, paid means money coming in or going out. Paid means money is going out. And people, I am settling the creditors. Since I am settling them, creditor balance should decrease. Okay, naya adu enno ne mama settle karana. I am settling him. His amount should get decreased. So shall we quickly balance it, people? Can you all tell me one by one? Here 350,000. Stock එක බලමු. 200, 300, 200, 180, 180, 380, 320. Am I correct? 320. Debtors ලා ඉන්නවා 100, 200 minus 80, 120. Cash 200, 100,000, 225, 175, 165, 115, 195, 145. So you take your time and do the calculation properly and confirm it, people. 145 හරිද කියලා. මෙතුළ here opening balance is there මෙතුළ 100,000, 100,000, 200,000 minus 80,000, 120,000. Okay මෙතුළ? 145 හරිද ළමයි? 145 හරිද? Ethan confirmed it. Yes. 425, 415, 395, 445 equity. So here simple 250. Here 300, 250. So get the total over here. 945. මෙතන total එක ගන්න ළමයි. 350, 600, 670, 690, 790. Did we miss anything somewhere? Equity. Yes. Yes, Dovina. Equity is wrong. 400 plus 25 minus 10 minus 20 plus 40. Yeah. This is 435, no people. Four 35, 935. So these are closing balances. Closing balances. Here 350, 600, 670, 690, 790, 790, 835, 935. Balancing. Balancing ne lamai. Balancing ne. Perfect. So the 350, 320, 120, 145 A set eකට closing balance කියලා ලියා ගන්න. Write it as closing balance. Maybe here. Okay, Fra, did you see it? So this is opening balance. This is the adjustments for the month. This is the closing balance. Cool. So let me ask you some quick questions. Credit purchase of the main stock. Credit purchase of the main stock. It is creditors or debtors? Tell me. It is trade creditors. Credit sale of the business. Credit sale. Credit sales. Tell me. It is debtors. Credit purchase. Don't miss it. Credit purchase. Creditors. Sales. Debtors. So if you want, you can remember PC, purchase creditors. SD, sales debtors. PC, SD. PC, SD. Purchase creditors, sales debtors. Purchase creditors, sales debtors. PC, SD. PC, SD. So hereafter you won't forget. In the sleep also you will be like PC, SD, PC, SD. Okay. Purchase creditors, sales debtors. If owner invest any bloody resource to the business, we will call it as, if owner invest any resource to the business, we will call it as additional capital. Will increase the equity or decrease the equity? Will increase the equity or decrease the equity? Will increase the equity. Owner takes any resource from the business for his private use. Vaga is taking resources from the business, cash, stock, car, van, computer. You know the people. During the COVID time, lot of owners took computers from the business. Why? Kid ge class. Eyage lamaya ge class. For his or her sons or daughters online class. Took the computer from the business. If owner takes any resource from, not for work from home. එහෙම උනත් කවන්නේ මේ ළමයාගේ පන්ති වලට. If owner takes any resource from the business for his private use, we'll call it as drawings. Will increase the equity or decrease the equity? Will increase the equity or decrease the equity? Decrease. 3 questions. Do all 3 questions again, people. Agreed? Agreed the body effort lamai. 15 minutes effort that you are going to put, you will get the result in another 2 years. Same 3 questions, take a rough paper and do it again. Don't look at your book. Now in your book you have the answer. No? Just keep the book away, do it again in a rough paper. Then you cross check your answer with your book. Okay? Agreed? So investment that you are making, other than investment, take a return in another 2 years. So make sure to make that investment. Only 15 minutes. A humble request for you to get a good visa. Tata bye. Jai. Welcome.